Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So we are going to start a new series on Laravel. In this series we will learn the Laravel from scratch. So this is the introduction video. In this video we will learn what is Laravel and what about its version, history and why we use the Laravel. So Laravel is a PHP framework which is used for developing the web application. It is also used for developing the web applications and API. It is the most used framework in PHP. Also, PHP have many other frameworks like CodeIgniter, Cake PHP, and many others. But this is the topmost framework which is used in PHP for developing the web application. It is modern framework and easy to use. Also, it is free of cost and open. We can say it. We can say that it is open source, and we can use it's free of cost and no need to pay any cost to use it. So let us see what is history and version of Laravel. The Laravel first released in June 2011. This is the developed and managed by Taylor Otwell. The current version of Laravel is 8.0, which is written in PHP. So let us see why we use the Laravel framework. Actually, Laravel framework support the MVC pattern and object-oriented approach. MVC means model, view, and controller. Laravel has the built-in authentication and authorization system. Means in the upcoming video we will learn how to use the built-in authentication system. In the single command we will create the built-in authentication system in Laravel. It has the packaging system, so the developer prefer to use this because it saves the time, and a big web application we can create in a small amount of time. Also it have a multiple file system because it have multiple file system and user can store the file in many methods. Or it also has artisan console. Laravel has artisan console command. With the help of the artisan console command, user can easily manage the packages. In a single command, user can create a controller and model migrations and also create the built-in authentications in Laravel by using this single command. In the upcoming video, we will learn all things. So Laravel has the large community. If you got any error in the application development, and when you will search on Google, then you will get a large community of Stack Overflow, GitHub, etc. Laravel has its own templating engine which is named as Blade template. It has and we can use the plain PHP also in Blade templating engine. We will learn about Blade template in the upcoming video in detail. It has the regular updates. So let us see what we learn in the next upcoming videos. We have learned the basics of Laravel. Also we will start the Laravel from scratch from first to last. In the first video we will learn the how to install the Laravel and how to use the composer, why we use the composer from scratch to advanced topics. And also we will learn the database operation, CRUD operations, how to insert in database, edit, update, delete, and how to show the records. And we will also learn the making the API with Laravel, and we will integrate the third-party templates in Laravel for saving the times. And also we will learn how to integrate the payment gateway in Laravel. Multiple payment gateway we need in an e-commerce website, and we will also learn how to integrate that payment gateway in Laravel. And at the end of this session we will create a e-commerce project in Laravel. Complete e-commerce project in Laravel we will develop with the help of Laravel framework. So this is the introduction video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.